Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove background in Gemini. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Gemini app or website and sign into your account. Once signed in, click on this plus icon and upload the photo you want to edit. For the best results, use a clear image where the subject stands out from the background. Once the image is uploaded, type a prompt like remove the background and keep only the subject in the pic. Or remove the background and make it transparent. Then send the prompt and let Gemini process the image. After a few moments, Gemini will generate an edited version with the background removed. Check the result carefully, especially around detailed areas like hair, hands, or edges. If needed, send another prompt with more details. When you're satisfied with the result, download the image. If you need a transparent background, save it as a PNG file. If transparency is not needed, you can save it as a JPG. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove background in Gemini. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.